Good morning, people. Morning. Morning. How's everybody doing? Let me know when you guys get to see my screen. When you guys get to see me as well. Monday, not Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, October 28th. And we're about to start trading. I decided to do something different today, which is to actually live trade. Pretty much doing the exact same thing I do in the BLW signals group for Forex. And then once we finish with this session, I might trade binary with the people of the BLW binary master app. So basically what I'm giving you right here is kind of a sneak peek on what easy that we do every single day. Okay. So we are going to have market open in about 8 minutes. Let's see how the stream's doing. All right. So in about in about 8 minutes, 7 minutes, the market's gonna be open. So we're gonna start marking our levels. Honestly, this jump, it's kind of not cool. I guess it's just gonna mark a new resistance and the support level in the London session is this right here, and there's a trend line right here happening. So I think everybody's seeing the same thing. Look, the buy looks very risky if you ask me, but if a breakout happens, then I guess we can go ahead and do something. The last few days, the market has been really slow, even today. Okay. So what can we do? I'm just gonna enter the breakout of this trend line. By the way, by any chance you guys want to trade live with me, we do this every single day at blwsignalsgroup.com. blwsignalsgroup.com. I think I'm gonna put like some sort of announcement right here. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. All right, so it's a promotion moment. We all love promotions. I guess I'll fix it for the next streaming or something. It's been a while actually since I haven't really made a streaming. So I'm happy you guys are here. No, I'm just gonna put it on the top. Market open in 5 minutes. All right, whatever. I'll just leave it there. Binance payment is available. Yep, you need to go to my support team. I have a link to my support team pretty much everywhere in the Telegram channel. So go ahead and check it out. All right. So right now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send the data to the people in the BLW Signals group right here. US, is this US 30? No, this is NASDAQ. NAS setups. And this is what happens every day. So I send both a buy stop and a sell stop on US 30 and NASDAQ in the Telegram channel. Still, I'll stream live, but so that you actually know what details I have. One thing that you need to know is that um, I actually use IC Markets as the broker reference over here on TradingView. And so you already know that some data might actually differ. It's different from one broker to the other for some reason. Jesus, I think I'm cutting a cold. All right, there you go. Now we go to US 30. Man, I don't know what. This bullish market is not helping us out at all. Take a look at the low level right here. It's just freaking insane. There's a small support level here. Man. Well, there's pretty much nothing we can do. I'm honestly more inclined into sales. By the way, for those of you joining for the first time, if you're thinking that you're gonna just become a millionaire right now, you're insane. It's not the place for you. But if you're thinking you can increase by 5% a day, then yeah, this is the place for you. I think there's gonna be a retraction on that pricing right there, but I'm just not. I don't want to risk your money, honestly. And so we're gonna go 5-1. There we go. It's just that I don't actually see what could be. I mean, it could be this, literally this level right here. So if you guys want to enter kind of a risky trade there, you can do so. It's just that it's so overbought that it's almost inevitable that the price is not going to drop. But sometimes these indexes, will surprise us, and it will continue to go up forever. All right, so US 30 setup. All right, got less than 1 minute actually, 2 minutes actually. Buy stuff. And I got to go to my broker as well. Stop loss. Take profit. Sell stop. You guys have a delay for like 30 seconds on YouTube. It's completely normal. Once you actually join the Signals group, it will be it will be fully live. Okay. All right. So I'm already done with this, and I gotta go to my broker like pretty fast and place my pending orders. So I'm using Trade Locker. All right. Smash the like, people. Smash the like. There's a lot of people watching this streaming, and I appreciate that. But just go ahead and smash the like. Take a look at the trades from yesterday. All right. Damn. Running out of time. Hopefully it doesn't open too strong. I'm just going to give it slightly more stop loss. By the way, yeah, you can manage your trades slowly as well. So I'm just going to draw right here. Pending order. It's going to be a buy. Man, yesterday was not a good day for me. I lost 2 positions. So I lost like $3,000 in total, which is exactly the money that I had made the day before. So it kind of sucks. All right, it's opening bullish. What can we do? Like I told you, like it can't start bullish for some reason. The only problem right now is that it's very risky. Take a look, and now it's dropping. And the reason why, this is a funded account, by the way. And the reason why it's too risky, it's because there is no other resistance to actually support it whatsoever. This is the highest of the highest that it has been. So it's quite complicated. Okay. Now, it hasn't really activated right here on the levels because you're not supposed to activate the trade before market opens. But in my broker, I'm going to lose this. Well, this is Nasdaq, but I don't think I'm gonna win this. Honestly more open to sales. All right, there you go. Nasdaq is shutting me up. Nasdaq is coming. There you go, baby. No, I need a bigger push than that. All right. Now US 30 is slower. Even if I were you, I would just move my entry point. I don't think there's enough time for you though. All right. No, there's not enough time. It activate. All right, activated. And I missed it. Oh, the next streaming I also should start earlier. Smashing the like, people. Smash the like. Those of you wondering what's going on, I'm trading on New York Market Opens. I do this every day in the BLW Signals group. You can join for $29.99 a month. blwsignalsgroup.com. There is also a free Telegram channel where sometimes I actually share trades and so on. You can look the link in the description of this video. Man, US 30 was a big fake out. I didn't enter that one. But like I said, I'm more inclined into sales, honestly. I don't know. I just think the price will have to correct itself. I'm just gonna put position right there on US 30. Hold on, because I do like this breakout and the support. So I think if it actually breaks this, it's a good entry. It's pushing really, really hard. I'll go 5-1, but you can close the trade manually then if you want to. So right here. So yeah. And I'm risking $1,300. That's the risk that I'm choosing. So I'm targeting like 6,000, 6,000 something. So I don't know. I wouldn't enter a buy anymore unless this breaks again, but it's too risky. It's just in case you want to. Just give it some more stop loss, I guess. But like I said, there's no actual resistance that we can take as reference as to where it could be considered a breakout. But you know, Nasdaq keeps on retracting. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right, this is the moment to actually ask questions. Can you? Oh, let me see. Do you also trade gold? All right. Let me just go in order. What is the most you lost in a day, and did you make And did that make you stop or thinking about stopping? You mean overall? Like in my life? What do you mean? Oh, I'm gonna lose Nasdaq. I'm more inclined on sales as well there. Yep, I lost that one. What was the other position? It was literally right here, right? Yeah, on the sell. We're gonna see if this one activates. So my account was $300,000 and I'm risking 0.5% per trade. As you can see, I lost 1% right now, which is okay. Why? Because my actual drawdown, it's 5% a day. It's not gonna happen today, and 10% overall. So I had to I have to lose $30,000 in order for me to actually lose this account. So 0.5% should be what you're risking every time. Okay, it's even less because I'm risking 1,300, not even 1,500. But yeah, I'm okay with it. All right, we'll see what happens here on both of the markets. So overall, well, there was a day where I actually blew my account. It was a $300 account back in 2016, and unfortunately, I overtraded, and that is the reason why. All right. Yeah, we do accept Binance payment. I mean, crypto could be uh, Bitcoin, could be USDT. It's really up to you. We do. It's just that you need to talk to my support team. There's a Telegram chat in the description, and you can also contact at BLW support bot. I think that's what it's called, BLW support bot. Let me just go ahead and put it in the chat, so you can just put it. Yeah, BLW support bot. I'm gonna put the link so you can contact them directly, and don't be scam. They also trade gold. Not much, honestly. I'm okay with the indices. They're too profitable to change. Uh, hey Nishant, how you doing? Can you suggest me some best instruments to trade in a prop firm account? US 30 and NASDAQ for sure. US 30 and NASDAQ. Honestly, what can I say? They're good. They move fast. They have good volume. Obviously, they have bad days like this week, for instance, yesterday and today. There's no volume. Like the trades that we've been having in the past, so much volume, everything good. But now, I don't know. But when the markets are good, there's no pair that even compares to it. I'm gonna start binary after this session, maybe in like a half hour or something. Not immediately. All right, US 30 is actually coming. Nasdaq just stay there. I don't think it's gonna do anything. But it was just like yesterday. Not a good day for the auto trader either. I don't know what's been going on this week, honestly. It's just bad. We have news though in about 20 minutes. I don't think if that is going to change something. Let me see what news we have. US 30 is coming. New home sales. Yeah, I don't think that's going to affect much. Oh, Jesus. The target of this account is $30,000 as well in order to pass it. I chose this specific platform because I love that it has the tools that TradingView has. Really liked it. Also, DX Trader has that. I think we can re-enter on NASDAQ if you want to. I'm going. If it actually, gives us the opportunity again, right there. I think I can re-enter, but I'm just gonna give it some more stop loss this time. Obviously, a little bit more profits. It could be very slow. Yesterday, for instance, we had this. Let me show you this trade. This one, there you go. You see, it hit the take profit around 3 p.m. my local time, past lunch. All right, so Nasdaq activated again, and these will be the last setups today. Here's the cool thing about trading indices and scalping is that it's not going to take much. Is the quality good of the video? Yeah, it's in 1080p. Just refresh or change the resolutions on the video to 1080p. All right, we'll see if this is the trade of the day. I'm just gonna cancel the pending stop on sell because I'm not gonna place it anymore. If I lose this one, then it's gone. All right, so US 30s coming down as well. We'll see. It hasn't activated yet. No, I'm not saying that if you don't trade with other pairs, you're not gonna win. All I'm saying is that when it comes to indices, the huge potential that is behind it, it's the fast movement. So, for instance, when you trade Euro, USD, GBP, all normal pairs, basically you're targeting a 2 to 1, maybe a 3 to 1, and it takes like the whole day. When it comes to indices, you catch some fast movements in the morning, and when that happens, you can hit a 2 to 1, 3 to 1 immediately and almost every on a daily basis. And that makes it way, way, way more profitable than, some other pairs. So let me look for a real, there you go. Take a look at this example right here. This is a 5 to 1. And it came immediately to the 5 to 1. There's another breakout right here. This one wasn't immediately, but it was a 5 to 1. This one was a loss, but even if you actually get a loss, then you can recover the next day and do it again. Does that make sense? So I'm not saying that normal pairs don't work. All I'm saying is that you can make potentially more money with indices. Check this out. Check this example right here. 371, 5 to 1. And this is what's been going on in the BLW Signal script. Those of you who don't know. So yeah, you can join me blwsignalscript.com, $29.99 a month. It's super cheap. And it also includes the BLW binary master app if you guys want to trade binary as well. Do you recommend using auction market theory or any other flow or volume footprint chart will be more winning edge for indices? I just use breakouts. Oh, sorry. I just use breakouts and I do good. So that's what I would recommend you to do all the time. Super easy. Plus, you can master it pretty quickly. You can just master this strategy. Looks like Nasdaq's gonna be 2-0. Yeah. So there you go. It's a loss over there on Nasdaq again. And like I said, I was more inclined into sales. There was a reason. There you go. All right, that was my bad. It's still not a loss according to this, but I'm pretty sure it will be. It's because I extended my stop loss though. We'll see what US 30 is going to be doing. I wanted to see my trade on the auto trader. Yeah. I'm losing today. This month started really, really good, and now it's kind of becoming just a meh month. Hey, how you doing, Flexer? Welcome, welcome. If you're just joining in or you watching this on the live replay, you can just go ahead and leave the like. It would be highly appreciated. Okay. So the stop loss over there on Nasdaq, it's somewhere there. Yeah. If nothing happens within the next 10 minutes, I'll just leave the trades open and that's it. I'll go ahead and, you know, enjoy my day. I'm not going to spend like the whole day watching at the charts. And trading is pretty emotional. When I have days like this, I usually don't trade binary. Thank you. You're more than welcome, and I'm happy to see those testimonials that you flipped out your account. I might be streaming more often, you know. We'll see. If we get 5 super chats, I can stream tomorrow. Yep. Well, I'll stream again this week. Maybe not tomorrow. I don't want to, make a commitment. Thank you. Thank you, Nishan. Thank you for the nice comments, honestly. Man, I hate these markets, honestly. It's not exciting. It's not anything. And I just lost 1% so far. Huh. Yeah, 1 to 3 is hard. But 1 to 3 on indices is quite easy, you know? Um, but yeah, like I said, I don't like trading emotionally. But I promised. So let's just go ahead and switch to binary if that's okay with you. Um, Let me just open. All right. Yesterday was actually good. Yeah, both of my trades are retracting, which is freaking insane. Beautiful day, man. I'm loving these markets. All right, but we gotta play with what we have anyway. By the way, for those of you, I'm just gonna switch to binary, and for those of you who don't know, I do send live trades every single day, 24/7 actually, here in the BLW Binary Master app. So you will get to see an actual signal and then an actual result and so on. 3 to 5 minute signals, 24 hours, Monday to Friday. Okay. Right now, I'm going to trade with the 30-second strategy, which is the 1 minute strategy. I'm not going to be able to enter immediately or anything because you already know that it takes some sort of preparation delay on YouTube. So it takes like 30 seconds. So I'm just going to tell you what pair I'm looking at and the one that I will be trading if something happens. So for instance, right now, I'm looking at GBP JPY. If GBP JPY drops more, I'm going to enter. Okay. When the RSI 30 is reached, I am going to enter. So hopefully, there you go. Oh man, I entered too high. All right, but you guys will get a better level. 1 minute trades. Remember, if you're not familiar, you're like, whoa, what is this strategy? What are you doing? Then I suggest you highly to trade on demo or don't trade at all and just watch. All right, because here in binary, yes, you can lose all of your money easily because you're risking more and it takes way less time. For instance, right now, it's just 1 minute candlesticks. If I have a bad day on binary as well, man, October 28th, it's crazy. All right, there you go. Let's see. Let me know in the live chat if you guys entered. Because I don't like just trading on my own. Well, I do, but not when I'm streaming. There you go. Won the first one and won the second one. That was an easy one. Let me look for another one. All right, AUDCAD looks. You know what the problem is though, and I forgot about this, is that we have news in 5 minutes, and even though it might not affect as much, it already did here. It may not affect as much on Forex. It could really affect in binary a lot, and yeah, I don't like that. So you know what? I just opened 2 positions. I just made around $400. I'm happy with it. I'm not sure if you enter trades, but let's just go ahead and do some Q&A. A small Q&A, 1, 3 questions there, here and there, and yeah. So ask your questions right now. What do you guys have for me? All right, people. So news are gonna kick in, and since there are no questions, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and have a good rest of your day. Peace.